Hi guys, this is a quick video on the giant squid microphone. So this is the only microphone so far I know that will work with the GoPro Hero 5 and 6 Black and with the GoPro Hero 5 Session as well. So I've ordered the microphone from Amazon and it's cost me £51 and I'll put a link in the description. So this is how it's come in a pretty simple packaging. So it's just a bag within a bag. So you'll be thinking it's very expensive for £51, but like I said, I did try quite a few microphones and I had issues with all of them. So I got pretty desperate and I thought, right, I'm going to give this a go, and it's well worth it. So the microphone itself comes with a extra long wire, so that's good as well. And it's got a right angled connection as well on it. The microphone itself feels very heavy duty. It's actually made out of metal and it feels like it'll take a lot of stick. So you've got a little windsock with it as well, and you get a little microphone clip which you can attach to your clothes. So you simply attach the microphone there and you can slide that onto your tie or your shirt or whatever you prefer. So right guys, that's the giant squid microphone, and like I said, I have tried loads of microphones to get them to work with the GoPro Hero 6 I've got and the Hero 5 Session, and I had issues with all of them. So right, I'm going to do you a quick demo now just to show you what they're like. So I'm just going to quickly attach this to the tripod so it makes my life a bit easier for the demo. Right, another thing, we all know we need to use a mic adapter for these cameras. We've got no choice. It's just a catch-22. So I'm not going to complain, I'm just going to get on with it. So you simply connect the mic adapter into the side, like so. And I'll just connect the microphone underneath, like that. And that's it now, that's ready to be used. So I'll do you a quick demo now. So just going to press record. So that's on now. So this is the microphone and this is your quick demo. I'll give it a couple of taps. Right, this is the giant squid microphone, and I'll just give you a quick demo by now. So this is the microphone and this is your quick demo. I'll give it a couple of taps. Right, this is the giant squid microphone, and I'll just give you a quick demo by walking around. I don't really know what to say, but this is just a quick sample just to show you that it does work. So this is the GoPro Hero 6 Black, and it should work for the GoPro Hero 5 and for the new GoPro Hero what's just been released as well. So that's the demo for that, and I'll do you another demo for the Hero 5 Session now. This is the GoPro Hero 6 Black, and it should work for the GoPro Hero 5 and for the new GoPro Hero what's just been released as well. So that's the demo for that, and I'll do you another demo for the Hero 5 Session now. Right, I'm going to do you a quick demo on the Hero 5 Session now. So I'm just going to swap this over quickly, if you can bear with me. Take this off. Just open a door on the side so we can attach the mic adapter. So simply we're going to connect this mic adapter in the side. So that's connected now and ready to do you a quick demo. So I've not actually got a screen on the back of this, as you know, so I'll play the demo for you after. Just going to simply press record. And it should come on. So this is a quick demo for the Hero 5 session now. And as you can see, I've got the microphone. I'll give it a couple of taps. And this is a giant Squid microphone. Quick demo for the Hero 5 session now. And as you can see, I've got the microphone. I'll give it a couple of taps. And this is a giant Squid microphone, and this is a quick demo. This is just the kitchen I've renovated, and I'm just finishing off a couple of jobs at this house now. But this is your quick demo for the Hero 5 session. This is your quick demo for the Hero 5 session. So right guys, that's the giant Squid microphone for the GoPro Hero 6 and 5 Black, and for the GoPro Hero 5 session as well. Like I said, it should work for the new GoPro Hero camera what's just been released as well at the moment. So hopefully this will help anybody who's having any audio issues with these cameras. And like I said, I have tried quite a few microphones. I've tried the Sony ECM, I've tried loads of lapel microphones. I've wasted a lot of money actually. So hopefully this will save anybody from spending any money and wasting it on microphones what are not going to work. Like I said, with the other ones I had a lot of issues with them, a lot of hissing, a lot of popping, crackling noises, and it was really terrible audio. So right guys, I hope this helps somebody out. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.